Sometimes having punch list items that are unfixed around the house are so annoying. Like Adriana Kasunik, she messaged me and said she has burnt out light bulbs in her second story fans. She can't reach to change the bulbs. And Venetian blinds that let all the light into the master bedroom. So I'm grabbing some supplies. We're gonna show up on her doorstep, surprise her, and fix everything. This is the punch list on drewandjonathan.com. If you're a builder designing a house, why would you put light fixtures 20-something feet tall? How are you going to change the light bulbs when they burn out? That's exactly what Addie's problem is. She has burnt out lights, and the fan, they don't have a remote for it, so they can't change the speed on it. And not to mention the cheap Venetian blinds that let all the light in, they can't get a good night's sleep. They've got way too many problems in the bedroom. That's where I can help.
Hi, my name's Addie Kasunik and I am living in Las Vegas. I have been a fan of the Property Brothers forever. I follow them on Instagram, on Facebook. We just recently moved in about 10 months ago and we've been slowly remodeling, but the biggest issue that we have, the ceiling fans that are way too high and don't have a remote control, and then the blinds in our bedroom are high, they're old, they're dusty, and we can't adjust them to not let light in the morning, which I like to sleep and I like it dark. Jonathan, can you please help me fix the fans so that I can change the light bulbs and adjust the speed of the fans and also the blinds so that it can be dark and the sun isn't shining in, but then I can let the light in when during the day when we're up.
Addie messaged because she's got a ton of problems at the house. Light bulbs that are burnt out, she can't reach to change them, fans that she can't control because she lost the remote, and Venetian blinds that are letting all the light in so they can't sleep. I've got Fernando and Derek with me and my team. We're gonna fix all her problems. Surprise!
Hi, Jonathan. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. How are you? You're even wearing one of my shirts. This is fantastic.
I know.
Representing the plaid. And of course, I didn't even wear plaid this time.
See?
I hear you have a bunch of problems.
I do. I have a few.
One, you're not 10 feet tall, so you can't change light bulbs.
No, you see the ones out.
All right, so we can fix that. And then you also have Venetian blinds that are just letting in all the light.
Light, and I can't sleep, and then we can't let in light.
This is no good.
No
you know,
good.
we gotta fix your problem.
I know, come here.
I see your bodyguard in the background here.
Yes.
How are you?
How you doing, sir?
Nice to meet you.
Absolutely.
I brought my bodyguards as well, and so we are gonna fix everything. Come on and show us, first of all, the master bedroom. All right. Oh yeah, so you can get it all bleeding in.
Yes.
How do you currently change the light bulbs if you have a light bulb problem?
We can't.
They just burn out and that's it?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Kylo,
Hi.
come here. We're gonna lift you up. You're gonna change the light bulbs. All right.
Okay.
Reach. No, it's not gonna work.
No.
All right.
Okay.
Kick back and relax, and we'll take it from here.
Awesome. Thank you.
Right. Get in there. I love it. Just seeing the whole plan come together. Uh-huh. We got bugs. The things I do. These are LED bulbs. They have the same brightness, but they'll last for like 10 years. That means they don't have to come up here and change bulbs for a very long time. Let there be light! That was a lot less dramatic than I was hoping for, but still works. Oh, and this is the best part though. Creep out all your friends and family. Genuine Drew and Jonathan bobbleheads. I thought about just giving you a Jonathan, but I gotta give you a Drew too.
You can have both.
Yeah. There we go. All right, eyes closed. Don't bump into the sofa. Come through the door. And your brand new custom shutters. What do you think?
Wow.
Awesome.
I love it.
It's cool. You can close them completely, get total blackout, or open them up.
Yes.
Well, now everything is remote control operated, so you can turn it on,
Yay.
turn it off. The fan, you can control the speed regardless of what you want to do. Everything now is at the touch of a button,
I love it.
Nice.
which
Thank
is great.
you.
And you also said one other thing though that was kind of a pain. You're like, we don't even know how to open and close if we're going to have shutters and blinds up here.
Right.
So we've got a little extra tool for you. You have an extension rod and you can just get it over top of the lip like that and you can control them however you want.
Perfect.
Just like that. Did you think this would happen in less than an hour?
Not at all.
No.
This is awesome.
Enjoy your place. Thank you so much. If you have something that isn't working around the house, hit us up on social media, send us a picture, and I might just show up on your doorstep. Awkward family portrait.